welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great, and today I have come up with a new video, and that is again a makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to ace that perfect base makeup, and apart from that, if you want to know how I achieved this eye look, then please follow my Instagram account. I'll be posting this video there. And a small request, if you are not following me, then please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share it with your friends. So without further delay, let's get started.
So I'm starting with my Good Vibes Vitamin C and B3 serum. Before that, I have washed my face with Plum Green Tea Cleanser. I will take a few drops of serum on my face, and with gentle pressure I'm massaging it into my skin. Also, I'm not using any primer today. The serum is very lightweighted and watery, so it gets absorbed into my skin effortlessly. After applying the serum, I will leave it for 5 minutes, then I will proceed to the foundation part. For my base makeup, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan. I will take 2 pumps on my hand, and with my finger I will warm it up a little bit. This way the foundation adjusts to our skin properly. After that, I will cover my whole face area like I'm doing now. Then I'm taking a flat top makeup brush to blend this out. This one I'm using is from Wet n Wild. As you can see, I'm done with blending my foundation, and now I'm going to use my Faces Canada Ultimate Pro makeup fixture on my brush and dabbing it all over my face. This way my foundation will last longer and will not look cakey at all. After layering my makeup fixer, I'm contouring my face. For contouring, I'm using this LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. The base is still wet, so it is easier to blend properly. As you all can see that I have a round face, so I contour my cheekbones, forehead, nose and jawbones. It gives more dimension to my face. Also here I'm using a damp sponge for blending. After contouring comes the baking part. Here I am using a light yellow colored eyeshadow from the Morphe James Charles palette. My face is still slightly wet, so the powder works as concealer. After applying the powder, I will leave it for 5 minutes, then with a fluffy brush we will remove the excess. Now that 5 minutes is over, I am dusting off the excess and going to do my eyes. I'm not going to elaborate how I do my eyebrows here. I have a separate video on that. I will link that video in the description box. For my eyes, I'm going to do a blue-pink cut crease, and I'll be doing it quickly. So if you want to know how I do this, I'll be posting this video on my Instagram account. I will add the Instagram link in my description box. So here I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to do my face again. I'm again using the Morphe James Charles palette, and from that palette I'm using a orangish peachy colored eyeshadow as my blusher. To highlight my face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and with the highlighter I'm going to highlight my nose bridge, cheekbone, forehead and brow bones. I'm done with my face makeup, and the last part is a lipstick, and I'm going to using a nude shade for my lips today. Now I'm not satisfied with a single shade of lipstick, so I'm going to use a lot of lipstick. I will link the shades number in the description box. So here it's all done. I'm ready, and this is the final look.
So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more and more videos. Till then, stay tuned and keep supporting me.